favorite chef. Let's get cooking!
Chef Maia, everything's good. Chef Maia, everything's good.
I make food like you should, and when I make food, everything's good. My name's Maia, Chef Maia. Let's get cooking. Turn up the fire!
Chef Maia, everything's good. Chef Maia, everything's
And I'm Jazzy, and I'm Maia. I'm the sister of Chef Maia.
Chef Maia, everything's good. Chef Maia, everything's good.
And just wait till I'm the chefiest chef in the universe. Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode of Chef Maia, Everything's Good. Today we are making a delicious cinnamon roll apple pie. It's gonna be delicious. I made this yesterday. I made a million yesterday because they're so good. So we're gonna make this recipe real quick, and so I'll see you guys next. So we are not making the cinnamon rolls from scratch. We are using Pillsbury cinnamon rolls. So get 1 can. I'm using minis. You want some ground cinnamon, granulated sugar, brown sugar, and some flour. And also we want a nice mixing spoon or something. This is just a utensil that I like using. Gonna need a rolling pin and a cake pan, or just a pan. I don't have a cake pan because I just don't have it. But we do have a pan for like making cakes and stuff. So we're gonna try it out in a pan. I do not have like a pie pan. We don't really have that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys next, and we'll start making our pie. And you also want a frying pan, and you want to also have access to a stove. All right, first let's get started. First we have to open this. So the real way of opening these cinnamon rolls is throwing them against the counter. So let's do it. So we did it. Here's our cinnamon rolls. And oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh no. I accidentally bust open the cream. But we're not going to use the cream anyway, so there's really no point. Alright. Let me just take all these nice cinnamon rolls out and throw this part away. Alright. So let's put out our cinnamon rolls like this, and let's get started with it. So we're gonna need a little bit of flour. I'll just like sprinkle it on here. Put some on your rolling pin. Let me show you guys what I'm seeing. Okay. So sprinkle it everywhere. Nice and good. Then we want to start rolling them out. So just roll them out. That one's good. And I'm also going to show you guys how to make some of these as tarts, not a pie. So we're going to make 1 tart and use the rest for the pie. So let's put these 2 aside. But you guys can make both, or you can just make the pie, or you can just make the tarts. Trust me, these are the deliciousness of deliciousness, okay? That even makes sense, okay? This is like the best recipe for pies I tried it the first time yesterday and it was delicious. Wait. So yeah, keep rolling them out and I'll see you guys next. Okay guys, so if you saw in the time lapse, I started laying them down. So you just start, once you're done rolling them out, you just lay them down on the bottom and then try to lay them on the edges too. And, okay guys, so, I had to roll out all of the cinnamon roll dough so it can fit in this pan and go on top of the apples too. So right now I'm trying to roll it out more. I've been rolling this out for 10 minutes straight and it is very stressful, but it's gonna make a delicious looking pie and a delicious tasting pie. So I think we just have to make it. So we're gonna make it. But okay. So I think this is good. It's pretty big for just a pie like this, but I want it to go on the sides and on top. So we might have to roll out. We don't have any more cinnamon dough, so that's why I'm trying to roll this out very much. Or actually, no. We do have 2 cinnamon rolls right here, so I might not be able to make the tarts, but really all you do, roll them out, put the apple filling inside, and then get a fork and close it up, and then put in the oven, microwave. No, not microwave. Oven, toaster oven at 350 for 20 minutes, and then they're delicious, tasting good. Good, delicious tarts. So we're just gonna add this into our dough, because we kind of have to. So we're not making the tarts today, sorry. It might be a different video. But I kind of just told you guys how to do it, so technically, yeah. So, now I think this is okay. Let me just roll out the rest of this and I'll see you guys next. Alright guys, so I tried to put it on the pan. I think I did good. So we're gonna start making our apple filling. So let me bring you guys over. I forgot the most important part, guys. We have to cut the apples. So let me put this aside real quick. Let's hope the dough does not tear. Okay, I think that's okay now. So let's get our apples, and so we're gonna use like 3 apples, and they can be Granny Smith, Golden, or Honey Crisp, or the other types of apples. I forgot what they're called. But you want to wash them off. And then dry them off. I didn't really dry them off, but let me do that real quick. Dry. Okay. So now what we want to do is get a knife. And try to try to do what I'm doing. So slice kind of like the bottom off. But if you have like an apple slicer, then you can use that, of course. but we're just gonna cut the top off too. Okay. Okay. Alright, I think we're cutting most of the things that we want on, but I think that's okay. Alright, so it's okay if you had the skin, it's totally fine, but we do want the skin off, but it's not a big deal. So let's go ahead and start dicing this part of the apple. So just dice all your apples in half. You guys will see what I'm doing in the time lapse. So yeah. Hey guys, welcome back. So I am done cutting all the apples, as you saw. And do not look at the dishes in the back. I'm gonna do them later. Oh no. Okay. Right there. So we're gonna turn this on medium high now. Okay, medium high. Then we're gonna put like a 4th cup of water in it. Like about a 4th cup. Kind of like that. And then you want to go ahead and put a little dash of cinnamon. That's not a little, that's a lot actually, but that's okay because this is a cinnamon roll apple pie. So like it has to have a lot of cinnamon, so that's good. And you want about a 4th cup of brown sugar too. So let me pour a 4th cup, or maybe like a 3rd. And put that in there. And we want it to get nice, smooth, and kind of like syrupy. So we're gonna put that on, and then we're gonna get some honey because that's always good. I did that yesterday. Sorry I didn't tell you guys right in the beginning of the video, but just got some honey. Little drizzle. And mix that in with it a little bit. And then what you want to do is get a 4th cup of sugar. So we're going to put a 4th cup in. Put a 4th cup of sugar in there. And that should get syrupy and nice. And you just want to put this on medium high still. Then you want to get I'm gonna put a little bit more cinnamon. I feel like we need a lot of cinnamon, so we're gonna put a lot. Wow, that is definitely a lot. Alright, well, just like let that turn into like a nice syrup, and then I'll see you guys next. So yeah. Hey guys, so welcome back. So we are finished with our apple filling, and if you saw what I put in there, I put more brown sugar, and I thought it was going to thicken up, but I didn't. But I forgot the most important ingredient, cornstarch. Cornstarch makes it like thick like a filling, so yeah. So what we're just going to do is wait for this to cool down. It's very hot. So we need to wait for it to cool down, and then we're gonna put it in. But if you guys taste it, it tastes delicious. So I can tell this is gonna be a delicious recipe. So I'll see you guys in like 30 minutes or like an hour because I do have a lunch bunch thing. So I'll see you guys next. Okay, so I decided not to wait because it took too long. So there's a bunch of holes in my dough. So there's like 2 holes in my dough. So it's gonna be like a little jelly on the outside, but that's okay, I guess. But the apple filling's in here, and I just put the rest of the dough on top. I know it does not look like a pie, but do not judge. Do not judge, because in this channel, we do not judge. We eat food. So, yeah. Okay, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. Put this in for like 20 to 30 minutes. So I'll see you guys next. Okay, guys, so we just, oops, sorry, my hand is dirty. The apple jam on the outside made it dirty, but I already had a slice. It's delicious, so we're gonna, oh my gosh, this tripod. Okay, well, just have to hold it up like this then. Be right back. Okay, now let's cut into this delicious looking thing. Okay. Okay. So what I wish would happen, I wish we put more apples in it, because it just looks like a bunch of layers. But there is like 1 layer with a few apples. But just make sure you put a bunch of apples. Make sure there isn't holes in your dough. But this looks good, so we're gonna try. This is delicious. You guys should really make this. I mean, and if yours has holes in it, you can just like dip it into the syrup on the outside. That nice apple crisp syrup. Delicious. I really recommend making this recipe. So please make this recipe. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Everything's good.
See you next time!
Yeah.